12:37 p.m. I just quickly got dressed. I'm heading to the hospital. Today, we are going to see how the baby is doing. We're going to see how the baby is doing. So we'll be going for a scan today. My husband is at his place of work, so we'll be meeting at a place and then we'll be heading to the hospital together. So that is it. So I'll be heading out now because I feel like I'm already late. Yeah, but I needed to eat something before going out. Catch you. So we just got back from the hospital. Yeah, we went well. So, hold on. The last time we went to the hospital, I remember that when we were there, there was bots. I'm going to give a full story on that. There was a bot. I'm grateful that today there's no bot. God is faithful. I asked the professional that did the scan. She said the baby is okay. So we are coming back. I saw this corn. I saw it when I was going. Like I came out today and I saw corn everywhere. People were cooking corn by the roadside. People were roasting. So as I was coming back home, I just said let me beg the bike man so he allow me to buy corn. So he agreed. He stopped by the roadside. I had to get down and buy corn. Someone with this. If there's a way you see my face, that's because I've been in the presence of God, thanking Him for all He has done. Because that man is too much. I'm using this corn to celebrate to celebrate this victory that the Lord has given us. Of course, I know He has given us victory. I know that one. I'm sure of that one. And this baby in the womb, yeah, is a great child. She's going to be a great child. Today, it looks like I'm going to take a little break from work because I I kind of stressed myself yesterday. Yeah, I was making this particular bag until evening and I forgot I'm supposed to eat. I was feeling hungry. I was still working. At a point, I had to stop myself and go fix something and eat. I'm having the effects of that stress right now. So today, I'm not working. After eating this corn, I rest. Look for one movie and watch. I rest. Not being pakam. You see this pregnancy journey, eh? I was telling my husband this morning. If your baby kicks too much, you feel like telling her, "Oh, yeah, calm down now." You don't do. The baby kick still feels weird. It still feels somehow. It still feels like discomforting sometimes. Sometimes when the baby kicks, you be like, "Oh, calm down now." But let it be that the baby did not kick for a while. You started getting worried. As you started getting worried, is the baby okay? This one and that one. By the time you will be jumping up and down, kicking up and down, you will feel like you don't do. Especially at night, when the baby will not allow me to sleep. Yesterday, I noticed that my baby was not kicking like the way she used to. This journey, na small thing anxiety don set in. Small thing like this anxiety don set in. You just have to stay positive and then be prayerful. It's not like the baby was not moving. It was moving, but I was not feeling that kick the way I used to. Even this morning, my husband asked me when the baby is kicking. He even placed his hand on my tummy. Yeah. It was a bit the second time or the third time that he did it, that the baby kicked a little. He was telling me that we'll go to the hospital today. And me, I was like, God, now your hand with it. I just want to stay positive that everything is okay, like down here. Because as a pregnant woman, there's this mother instinct that you have that sometimes you even care less about yourself. So far, your baby is doing okay. That one is your major priority. I'm grateful for everything that is happening in my life. I know God has a bigger and better plan for me. I'm grateful. I'm not even joking. I'm grateful. We have to go. See, you don't know how strong you are until being strong becomes your only option. I've been really sick for 3 days now. Like for the past 3 days, I've not been able to do this. I thought I should do something different aside crying. This morning I've cried so much that I couldn't help it, like couldn't help but cry. I cried so much that I vomited everything I ate. I just came back from downstairs, went to buy something to eat because I'm feeling hungry. I don't know if it's the drug that I'm taking. I'm feeling hungry. I've been so scared to go downstairs because the last time I went downstairs was yesterday when I went to the hospital with my husband, and it felt like I was falling down. So I was really, really scared of going downstairs, and I needed to cross the road. I was scared I would fall, but I didn't have any choice, so I had to go downstairs to get what I'm going to eat. Feeling dehydrated. Thankfully, I'm back and I did not fall. I hate getting sick. Like, I hate it. I hate being sick. God knows. Even without pregnancy, I hate it. It always feels like I'm dying. See, if you really get sick, you don't know what God has done for you, seriously. And the least you could do is to be empathic towards those who are sick around you. Like try and be kind to them. Don't give her that attitude like, oh, this person is always sick, because you don't know what it means to be sick like once in a while. Try and be kind to the sick people around you. This past 3 days has been difficult. It has been difficult. Staying alone till when my husband gets back. I'm not about to cry again. Today, I've cried enough. All I'm just asking God is, God, please just heal me. Like, I know I've been dealing with pregnancy hormones like for a while now, the weakness and all that, but and it's not been easy. Adding it to being sick, it's difficult. I've just been asking God, just heal me, just heal me. My husband had to take a partial leave from work yesterday to take care of me, and we visited the hospital. They prescribed some drugs, which I'm already taking. Like, for about 2 days now, eating has been difficult for me. Yeah, it's actually surprising that I woke up this morning hungry. Eating has been difficult. It was only watermelon that could easily go through my mouth. Yeah, like between yesterday and today, I've taken like one full watermelon. That's what could easily go through my mouth. But I feel hungry right now. I want to go and make something and eat. It's difficult. It's difficult, but I don't have any other option than to be strong. Yeah, I don't have any other option than to be strong. My mom is not here. None of my siblings are here to take care of me or to help me with one or two things. So if my husband is not around, it's just me and my God. So I know I have God, so that counts for a lot. Yeah, that counts for a lot. I'm actually grateful for the strength to be speaking like this. Yeah, I'm grateful for the strength to be speaking like this right now, because I couldn't do that yesterday. Yeah, I couldn't do that yesterday. I couldn't do that 2 days ago. And to think that 3 days ago, I was okay. Nothing was wrong with me. I was even making videos for my YouTube channel as well as for my online course. Nothing was wrong with me. And I needed to visit someone, a church member that put to bed. So when I looked at the time, I was like, okay, I need to go there before it's late. So I had to leave what I was doing and I went to the place. Only for me to come back and notice I started having that slight feeling of cough, dry throats and all this. I thought it was play. Like play like play. That was how I got ill. I started coughing, cold, headache, like all in one for one person alone. Like I said, for a change, I want to do something different aside crying. And that's why I'm recording this. Which one should I do first? Take my baits or cook? I think I should cook first, right? Nothing much. I just want to make noodles.